Hi friends, welcome back to SMNVS Innovations YouTube channel. In this video, let us see about this CSR8645 Bluetooth module. This CSR8645 Bluetooth module is named as Bluetooth Low Energy module and its version is Bluetooth 4.0, and the Bluetooth modules starting from 4.0 are considered as Bluetooth low energy modules because they consume very less current during their operation, nearly 10 milliamps of current, not more than that, and in maximum power conditions it consumes maximum of 30 milliamps, that is very peak power. And moreover, this Bluetooth module has been inbuilt with many internal features which are very useful for building many Bluetooth based applications. And now let us see what are the features it has and how it is useful to the end user in building many Bluetooth applications. And now I will show what are the features it has in briefly. So now when we come in detail, so you can see, so friends, you can see this Bluetooth module VCC and ground is there. This is the DC power input for operation of this Bluetooth module. VCC is the positive power supply input and ground is the negative power supply input. So this Bluetooth module accepts an input voltage range of 5 volts, or you can give up to 6.5 volts. This Bluetooth module CSR8645 works with an input voltage of 3.3 volts. So as the input voltage will be greater than that, they have used a built-in regulator here. You can see here, this is the built-in regulator, because in most of the conditions we don't have power supplies exactly rated to 3.3 volts, it may be greater than that. So if we use 5 volts or any 6.5 volts, this voltage regulator will convert that voltage into 3.3 volts, and the 3.3 volts will be sent to this CSR8645 Bluetooth module to make it in operation and work properly. And next, coming to the features in detail, it has microphone input also, and also the microphone input is very specialized, and it accepts all the audio signal inputs from the microphone and processes the signal and produces exact and perfect output of audio during a call operation or any other Google Assistant, Alexa, or any other online based applications. This microphone input will be helpful. And next we have mute button is also there here, and next we have volume positive and volume negative, that is we can increase the volume or decrease the volume by using these options. And next we have next button and previous button is there. So by using this we can select the next song or select the previous song. And next we have play option. This is the play option. It means we can play the song or pause the song, and when we get any call, when we connected to this board, we can answer the call by pressing the same button, and the same button when we press again, the call will be disconnected. So friends, you can see this small circuit board, there are many options and features, and very small in size, very compact in size, and also the output quality is an excellent quality, and also this circuit board has been inbuilt with an audio amplifier. This is the audio amplifier, you can see here. You can see the IC number is HT6872. This is the class D amplifier, and also this amplifier is differential input amplifier. It means it accepts an audio input of differential input, and the output is also differential output we get. That means you can see here left positive, left negative, right positive and right negative. So these are the two channels. For each channel we have a positive and we have a negative output, and this HT6872 audio amplifier works with a maximum input voltage of 6.5 volts, and at that voltage it produces an output of 5 watts of output, audio output. And you can imagine this small board is producing 5 watts of audio output. That is an excellent option and also very good and very useful for building many compact Bluetooth applications by using this Bluetooth module. And also this Bluetooth module has 80 MHz Qualcomm Kalimba DSP digital signal processing system in this chip inside itself, and also it accepts aptX technology. It means it has an high performance audio output by using aptX technology, and also it accepts MP3 formats, AAC formats, SBC formats of audio, and also HFP 1.6, A2DP, 1.2 AVRCP and 1.4 audio outputs, and also it has microphone inputs. You can see here M- is a microphone negative input and M+ is a microphone positive input. This microphone inputs is also CVC 6th generation 2 microphone input audio technology. It has an excellent receiving of microphone inputs and it processes the audio, and accordingly it will give the output to the connected appliance of Bluetooth, like mobile or any other Bluetooth related application or appliance. And also it has integrated single chip solution for application processing as well as Bluetooth low energy radio antennas. This has an antenna which uses very less power and radiates more and efficient energy output, and this design is also very good design and very small in size, invisible in size, but the output performance is very excellent, and the design is also very small integrated, that is VLSI design, highly integrated VLSI design technology, and reducing the size of this system. And moreover it does not require any software to install separately to make this board work. It has an inbuilt system to make it into operation, and moreover it has LED indications. You can see here there are 2 LEDs. These 2 LEDs will be blinking continuously when this Bluetooth module is not paired. Once this module is paired, these LEDs will blink slowly in blinking manner. So next, coming to this circuit board performance, this performance can be checked now by using a speakers and related accessories. Now to check this performance, I have made a small system. Now I will show you how this Bluetooth module will work and how the performance of the audio output will be there. in brief, in small details, I will just try to show you. So friends, now you can see this is the schematic or circuit diagram. I just tried this circuit diagram for making a Bluetooth speaker, and in this circuit diagram I have used this CSR8645 Bluetooth module. Now as you can see, this is the lithium ion or lithium polymer battery charging board, and this board will receive an input of 5 volts from here, and that 5 volts input will be used to charge this battery, and this output from this battery will be received through this board, and from this board output will be received to this switch, and from this switch we can control the output to this CSR8645 Bluetooth module, and then this output will be given to this CSR8645 for making it into operation. And next, this is the microphone input. We connect this microphone to here, this 2 pins of this Bluetooth module, and here we connect this battery to this charging board or a battery protection board. This is the battery charging lithium polymer battery charging board as well as battery protection board also. And next, coming to this, these are the switches. As I previously told you, this has an inbuilt features of volume control, and previous and next song we can skip, and as well as it has play and pause buttons, and also call answer or call reject function is also there. For that we can use these small switches. And when we operate these switches by pressing these buttons, the concerned operation will be done, like increasing the volume or decreasing the volume, or next song will be played or previous song will be playing, and play or pause of the song, and answering a call or rejecting a call or any other related operation will be done when we press these buttons. And also you can see here, this is the speaker output coming from the amplifier. I have connected left output to the left speaker and right output to the right speaker. So this is the schematic to make a Bluetooth module, to make a Bluetooth based application, Bluetooth speaker. This is the schematic we have to follow, basic schematic. I am just trying to say you basic schematic to make a Bluetooth speaker. And now I will show you the Bluetooth speaker which I have made from a small power bank by using the same schematic. And now let us see the output performance of this Bluetooth module. So friends, you can see this is the power bank. This is this is eyeball power bank. I have just used this power bank to make a Bluetooth speaker with stereo outputs, that is left channel output and right channel audio outputs. And I have used this CSR8645 Bluetooth module in this Bluetooth speaker, and you can see these are the buttons, volume buttons, and this is the skip and previous buttons, and this is the play and pause button as well as call answer or call reject button. The same button acts for the same. And next I have used a switch here. You can see this is the switch to on and off of this board. And now I will show you how this module will work. Now I am making this into operation by oning the switch. You can hear the sound that it came into operation. So friends, now I am connecting this Bluetooth module to a laptop. You can see I have opened the Bluetooth settings here. Here you can see CSR 8645 module has been detected, and now I am connecting here. You can see here it is connecting now. Friends, now you can see it has shown connected. It means now this has been connected to this laptop. Now whatever I have played in the laptop or any audio input I receive from laptop to this, it will be heard from this Bluetooth module. Now let me play some audio track and check how this performs. So friends, now I am placing this mic near this speaker. You can hear the audio output clearly, and this output is also stereo output. So please enjoy this audio. So we can also increase volume here. So friends, now I will play another track, and now let us hear another song, how it performs. So friends, now I am playing this Alan Walker song from NCS release. So listen to this song, how this will be from the speaker. Friends, you can hear the bass clearly. Excellent bass is coming. High definition audio output is coming. Hope you enjoy this. Okay friends, hope you enjoy this video. So the output coming from this is excellent output. Stereo output is coming. That means we have left channel and right channel audio outputs, and also high quality audio output is coming. So this CSR8645 Bluetooth module is an excellent Bluetooth module. We can make Bluetooth speakers or any other applications in small sizes by using this Bluetooth module. So now I will just open this cover and show the inside view of this Bluetooth module so that you can see the schematic inside, and with this we can close this video. So friends, now you can see this is the inner view of this Bluetooth speaker. And there are mainly two circuit boards are there. This is the first one and this is the second one. This is the same one here I used. This is the lithium polymer or lithium ion battery charging board as well as protection board. This IC will take the function of charging the battery, and these two will take the function of battery protection. So this module is battery charging as well as battery protection module. So it will take care of this battery. And now here we will give the 5 volts input from this port. This 5 volts input from this port will be used to charge this lithium polymer battery. I have used 3.7 volts 780 mAh batteries, two numbers I have used here. So in this way the power supply required for this operation of this Bluetooth module is achieved, and now the output from this, you can see here, battery minus and battery plus, these two are connected to the battery, and this is the output, output minus and output plus. These two are the outputs, and these two outputs, one of the output, positive output, is connected to the switch, and from that switch the output will be given to the input of this CSR8645 Bluetooth module. Previously, as you have seen, here there is VCC and ground. The positive output from the switch is connected to this VCC, and the negative output from the circuit board, battery protection board, will be given here. In this way we will provide power supply to this board. We can give power supply up to 6.5 volts. This regulator will take care of this voltage and supply only 3.3 volts to this CSR8645 module, and we can give 6.5 volts to this amplifier. Up to 6.5 volts we can give to this amplifier. Okay, and now I will on and show you how it will light will come. Friends, you can see the light is blinking. Once it is connected, it blinks slowly. Unless it is connected, two lights will be blinking. When it is connected, only one light will blink. And this is the functionality of this board. Once it is connected, whatever we play in the connected device, it will be produced or played in this Bluetooth speaker. So now this Bluetooth module receives the audio input from the phone or tab or any laptop Bluetooth source. It converts it into high quality audio output and gives input to this amplifier, class D amplifier HT6872. This amplifier output will be connected to these two speakers, left and right. And also I have used two capacitors at the input side and the amplifier side also. This is the 10 volts 2200 microfarads capacitor, and this is also 2200 microfarads, but the voltage range is 6.3 volts. This one I have used here for the amplifier. By using these capacitors, we can get stable audio output without any disturbances. We can get very clear audio output. Friends, this is the main inner view of this CSR8645 Bluetooth speaker, and these are the manual input buttons for volume control and a song, previous song, next song control, as well as play and pause button is this center one, red color one, as well as when we receive any call, we can use this button to answer the call, as well as we can reject the call using this. And also there is a microphone connected to this. By using this microphone, we can connect it to Google Assistant, Alexa, or any other supported systems. Depending on the Bluetooth source we connect. So friends, this is about CSR8645 Bluetooth module. By using this module, we can make any Bluetooth appliances in very small size, very compact size. You can see I have used a small power bank to make a stereo and high definition audio output system. Hope you enjoy this video, and I hope this video is helpful and knowledgeable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you very much.